Hi yogis, my name is Meg. I'm a teacher here at Denver Yoga Social. Here we're at the aquarium today and I'm going to be showing you reverse warrior. We'll start in our warrior 2 position. So front heel is dissecting our back left arch, deep bend in your right knee, extending your arms to the front and back of the mat. Gaze goes over your front right fingers. To get into reverse warrior, flip your front palm, shift your torso forward, and then start to raise your right arm overhead. Left arm touches the back of your left leg. Again, holding here, extending your arm overhead. You can continue to extend your arm backwards, behind your mat. You can even take your left hand, wrapping it around your back. Again, deep bend in your right knee. As you get a little bit more advanced, you can continue to sink into your right leg. Gaze can go over to your right fingers or down to your back heel. Reverse warrior.